welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Janaiyah and I love you guys. Subscribe. Today I'm here with my best mom.
Hi.
And we are going to be making
some fall favorites of ours.
Yes, and it's a lot, and this is the first day of
Fall.
What are we going to be making, Mom?
So today we are actually going to be making a few of our fall favorites, and we're going to be doing pumpkin spice Rice Krispie treats. We're also going to be doing chocolate and caramel covered apples.
So yeah, we're going to be showing you all of our ingredients that we have. So we have marshmallows, mini marshmallows.
They smell so good.
Yeah. We also have, what is it?
Chocolate minis.
Chocolate minis. I have some cinnamon.
And ground nutmeg.
Caramel.
No,
More caramel.
And then
another
more caramel.
So 3 things of caramel.
Let's see which one we like better.
Yes.
Oh, we also have small minis.
So many.
Marshmallows.
We also have a pumpkin cookie.
I love these kind of cookies. They're so good.
You good? Okay. You're like, boom. We also have 3 apples.
The green apples. Green apples are the best.
We have some sticks.
And then pumpkin.
Pumpkin. We also have a huge gallon of sugar.
Box.
Sugar box. And Rice Krispies. And don't forget, baking soda. Start off with the Rice Krispie treat.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
the caramel and the chocolate apples.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling.
And you guys always be careful with the knife at home, and tell parents to help you with the knife too.
I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow out with a sigh, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready
Chocolate time.
for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
That's the one. Let me warm this up.
Ooh, it's melting, you guys. It's melting better.
I know, because I bought a different chocolate. Are you gonna want graham crackers on them or no?
You could do it on yours.
No, I don't want them on mine.
Okay guys, it is melted enough.
So now you can start topping.
Start topping the chocolate one.
And I will do the
Caramel.
You just wanna dip them.
All you need to do for mine is just dip them too. Pretty simple. Come on.
I'm gonna coat, make sure that you get
All of it on.
all of it on.
Flickers will blow out with a sigh, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn.
There.
There we go. All done.
Now you just want to put it inside the... I'm just putting extra caramel on mine.
Okay.
Put it inside
The
the
freezer.
refrigerator.
Oh yeah, the refrigerator. So I'll see you guys when it is done. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for our stuff to cool down, we are going to be watching Hocus Pocus and have hot chocolate. So, yeah.
Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the side. And all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
It's like this. I broke into the old Sanderson house and I brought the witches back from the dead. See, I even have the book.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Tell me down in the comments below what is your favorite fall snack that we made today. And make sure you guys hit the bell button so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. And you could be a part of the JJ Squad. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!